In this AI study building demonstration, we are going to start off by creating a new blank study. This will show how easy it is, even without AI, to instantly create a study from an existing template in seconds. In this case, we are copying a blank study template so we can build from scratch using TrialKit's groundbreaking AI tools. Let's begin by adding a study name, study description, protocol ID, and study type. For this demo, we'll be studying the efficacy of Ambien versus Sonata in a patient registry using wearable devices. Now, let's open that study and go into the Forms library to see how nothing exists except the shell of a study with only a single form. Even the visit schedule is just a single visit with a single form. Now we'll head into TrialKit's AI model, Floyd, to start the fun stuff. Let's ask Floyd to define itself and tell us what it can do. Floyd gives us a well-detailed description about how it can help with building study databases, creating data, and analyzing data, among many other things. Now we'll ask Floyd to build a study protocol for us to study the efficacy of specific sleep medications using a wearable device. It generates a very thorough protocol, including randomization, inclusion criteria, and study procedures. Next, we'll build on that by asking Floyd to build the study based on that protocol. This will include the visit schedule and all the forms necessary over the course of the study. While it works, we can continue with other tasks. Access to the current jobs processing is always available from the toolbar. We can also take a look in the form builder to see forms that have already been created. In this example, a demographics form has already been built, a job that would have taken a person a couple of hours, but here it was done in seconds. At this point, the process is still working hard behind the scenes, building forms, which we can see in the form library's growing list. Checking back here on progress, we see it's already about 2/3 finished building our study. We'll check back on the form library again to see how many more forms have been built from the protocol. While it works, we can continue with other tasks. Access to the current jobs processing is always available from the toolbar. We can also take a look in the form builder to see forms that have already been created. In this example, a demographics form has already been built, a job that would have taken a person a couple of hours, but here it was done in seconds. At this point, the process is still working hard behind the scenes, building forms, which we can see in the form library's growing list. Once the process is finished, we can jump into the visit schedule design to see what Floyd did there as well. We'll return to the session and now ask Floyd to build the eDiary configuration required by the protocol. eDiaries determine the study's participant-level engagement. At this point, we can jump back into the form builder and see one of the diary forms that was created. While the job continues, we'll quickly add wearables to the study. This will tell TrialKit to collect data from participant wearable devices when they log into their app. Transitioning to the diary schedulings, we can see Floyd configured both a daily and weekly diary for the study. Again, this was something done in seconds that would have taken a person more time to think through and set up. That wraps up this quick demonstration of building a study using TrialKit's native AI integration. We hope this helps study teams across the world rethink study setup timelines.